What's up, guys? You are listening to the Doug Couch Show, episode 6, a review of Police Scanner Radio Deluxe. It is a free app, so let's jump right into the app here. Hold on, let me pause this until I find the app. What's up, guys? I'm back. I now have my focus on Police Scanner Radio Deluxe, so let's double tap this.
Scanner Radio Deluxe. Heading.
Okay, it says Scanner Radio Deluxe heading. There are 4 buttons. There is
Favorites. Button.
Favorites.
Near me. Button.
Near me.
Top 50. Button.
Top 50.
Browse. Button.
Browse.
Alerts. Button.
Alerts.
Search. Button.
And search.
Alerts. Button.
So let me start off by talking about the alerts. What alerts are basically your settings. And okay, let's go in here and see what's here.
Alert settings. Back button.
See, it said alert settings.
Alert settings. Heading. Turn on alert notifications if you would like to be notified anytime the number of people listening to any scanner is at least a certain number. This is useful in finding out when something interesting is going on somewhere, or if you want to be notified anytime there is a broadcastify.com alert for a scanner. Note: in order to receive listener alerts, you must have push notifications enabled for Scanner Radio Deluxe. To configure alerting, press the button below. Configure alerting button.
And it says configure alerting, so let's see what's in here.
Alert settings. Discard. Back button. Alert settings. Heading. Listener alerts.
Listener alerts.
Do you want to receive listener alerts?
It says, do you want to receive listening alerts? Or listener alerts, excuse me.
Listener alerts on off switch. Switch button. Off.
It's off right now.
Double tap to toggle setting.
If we double tap that, it will be turned on.
Send an alert when at least this many people are listening to any scanner.
Send an alert when at least this many people are listening to this scanner.
Listener alert threshold. 1000.
Listener alert threshold is 1000. You can change this if you wish.
Broadcastify.com alerts.
Broadcastify.com alerts. This is basically where it will alert you if there is anything big going on any scanner around the world.
Do you want to receive broadcastify.com alerts?
Do you want to receive broadcastify.com alerts? This is basically just like the listener alerts. You have the switch to switch it on or off. So
Broadcastify alerts on off switch. Switch button. Off.
Mine is turned off. I haven't
settings.
configured these yet. So yeah.
Send alerts for all scanners or only for your favorites?
Send alert for all scanners or only for your favorites. This is where you can choose to where it will send all scanner alerts from all over the world, or where it will send you only scanner notifications for alerts in your favorites.
All button.
You got all button
Selected. Favorites.
and favorites button, and I've got those
Save button.
turned off. And you have a save button, and that's pretty much it. So yeah.
Listen. Alert. Discard.
Discard.
Back button.
Go back.
Scanner Radio Deluxe. Heading. Favorites. Near me. Button. Top 50. Browse. Alerts. Search. Button. Alert. Browse. Button.
Next is browse.
Alert. Retrieving. Browse. Back.
So you can
Back
browse by.
Browse. Heading. Browse by area.
Browse by area.
Browse by genre.
Browse by genre.
Browse by source.
Browse by source.
Broadcastify alerts.
Broadcastify alerts.
Configured alerts. New additions.
New additions. So yeah, that is pretty much what the browse is.
Scanner Radio.
Alright.
Top near me. Top browse button. Top 50.
Let's look at the top 50.
Retrieving. Top 50. Back button. Top 50. Chicago. Muskegon. Chicago Police Department. Cook County, Illinois. 634 listeners.
There are 634 listeners listening to Chicago right now. So now I'm going to show you guys how to listen to something. And basically to play something, all you do is double tap on it. So here we go.
Now play it.
Greenview. Caller's going to be waiting in the silver Toyota Corolla in front. He said unknown male black and a female black are in his apartment refusing to leave. Did you copy 310? Because I did. He said he's right down the street, so...
Okay. That's pretty much how you play something.
Audio information map. Alert settings. Sleep timer. 10 codes. Pet rescue stop. Stop. Play. Button.
Okay.
Stop. Stop. Back to Chicago. Now play. Back.
Say, so that's the top 50.
Back. Top 50. Columbus, Indianapolis, Westmoreland, top, back. Scanner radio delocks.
Okay.
Heading. Near me. Top 50. Near me.
The
Button.
near me, that is where you can double tap this and see what locations are near you. So let's double tap this and see what's going on.
Determining location. Near me. Back. Back button. Near me. Less than 20. Athens, Clark County Police and Fire. Clark County, Georgia. 22 listeners.
Okay,
Public
let's see
safety.
if we catch anything in my county. Clark County, let's see if we catch anything.
Now playing. 22 listeners. Audio for information. Map. Alert setting. Map. Audio. 22. Streaming 4. 0. 6. Ellipsis.
See?
Streaming 4. 0. 12. Ellipsis.
Oh.
22 listeners. Now playing. Back. Back button.
Yep, so like I said, guys, the near me button is where you tap to see if what locations are around you. And the favorites list is where you can go in and add favorites. And if you want to add something to your favorites, I will show you guys how to do that. Hold on a second.
Back. Near me. Now play. Less than 20. Athens, Clark, Oconee County, Barrow County, Oconee County Fire Rescue. Oconee. Now play.
Okay.
Now add to add to favorites button.
Where it says, and you click where it says add to, and you click where it says add to favorites. So yeah, you click where it says add to favorites, and that's pretty much the whole app, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the podcast. This is podcast 6 of the Doug Couch Show, and stay tuned for future episodes. The podcast can be found on YouTube.com, and the podcast can also be found on Twitter.com. You can follow me at Douglas_Couch on Twitter.com. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the podcast, and thanks.